So we're take 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
Take 3 on Manny's stash. Being removed.
Ready for this? Right here. Ready?
Oh. Oh my. Wait, pause. How's that look? No, cut it in half, middle. And then we'll, I think my screen needs to be cleaned. We'll clean the screen right quick. There you go. Dude, I like this thin one. Wow. Okay. Wait, let me clean this. Hold on. Don't do anymore.
Look at this. Half.
Let me see. Over here, show the camera.
Mm-hmm.
No, but okay.
And then
that one. Which one looks better?
there it all goes bye-bye. Ready? How about this?
Dude, that looks awesome. I would do a Hitler build. So, yeah, a little bit. Awesome. I mean, I would leave it like that. Let me see, wait. I like that.
It's up in the notes.
We got, vacuum.
There it is. It's done.
Dude, that looks awesome. The new man right there, people.
Goodbye.
How do you feel now?
I feel clean. I feel clean. Bye.
Bye, people.
Well, it's good to see you guys.
See you next year.
Well, next month maybe I'll let it grow.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.